In this new normal, small businesses are never on the sidelines. Owners like you are always tapping into their creativity and finding new ways to thrive. Biz2Credit will help you fund those great ideas. It's been a tough year, but business owners are tougher. It helps to look the part, at least where it counts. You know how to handle your business and watch your ideas take flight. Now more than ever, it's all about thinking outside the box. Biz2Credit gives business owners the funding that makes it all possible. Small business owners might not always know what the weather will bring, but working with Biz2Credit, you can be sure there'll be a silver lining to any storm. Or a pink one, or a blue one. Biz2Credit gives small businesses the confidence to take their next step, no matter what the world decides to throw at you. And funding from Biz2Credit has helped hundreds of thousands of small businesses get back to normal. Sort of. So keep on doing what you're doing. You drone flying, on-the-go event planning, connoisseur of catering, always well-dressed, never overstressed, masters of what's next. We'll be right with you, every step of the way. Biz2Credit, funding what's next.